Dear child, listen closely, for I come to you today with a message that must reach your heart. A truth long hidden is about to be unveiled, and you, my beloved, must be ready to receive it, for a great shift has taken place, an unexpected turn of events that you never saw coming. Something set in motion long ago has now reached its breaking point, and as the dust settles, clarity emerges from the chaos, revealing what was always meant to be known, what was always waiting just beneath the surface. And it is imperative that you open your heart and listen, for this is not merely about them, nor is it even about you. It is about truth itself, about the way illusions can only stand for so long before they crumble under the weight of reality, about the way lies can be woven into the fabric of a story, yet truth will always find its way through the cracks. And oh, my dear, the cracks have now spread beyond repair. The facade is shattering, and those who built their foundation on manipulation, deceit, and control are now watching as their creation collapses before their very eyes, unable to stop what has already begun, unable to rewrite the inevitable, unable to turn back time. And now, my beloved, I will take you to the moment it all unfolded, the precise second when the final thread was pulled, when the truth they feared the most slipped out in the most unexpected of ways, when the fire was ignited not by an external force, but by their own words, their own actions, their own unspoken truths that could no longer be buried. For let me take you to a scene from last night, where it all began with something small, something so seemingly insignificant, something that, on its own, should not have held the power to destroy. And yet, as you well know, the most devastating storms often begin with the softest whisper of wind, and in this case, it was a simple comparison, a fleeting remark, a few words spoken in passing, so casual, so unintentional, and yet, oh my dear, those words carried power. Those words, though spoken without thought, became the spark that would set the entire structure ablaze. For as they sat together, as conversation flowed as it always had, as routine dictated the rhythm of their exchange, he spoke without thinking, his mind wandering, his guard down, and in that unguarded moment, he compared her to someone else, a comparison he never intended to be a weapon. And yet, the second the words left his lips, they hung in the air like a curse, like an omen of what was to come, for she heard them, and though he may not have meant harm, they struck her with a force so violent, so undeniable, that she could no longer contain the rage that had been waiting to explode, the insecurities she had buried beneath false confidence, the fear she had masked behind control, the deep, unrelenting knowledge that no matter how hard she tried, no matter how much she forced her way into his life, no matter how tightly she held on, she could never erase the past. And more than that, she could never erase you. For the moment the words left his mouth, she froze, her eyes darkened, her breath caught in her throat, and in the space of a heartbeat, the fire was born, consuming her in an instant, pulling her under a wave of fury so absolute that she could not stop herself, could not control the venom that spilled from her lips as she turned to him, demanding answers, demanding explanations, demanding to know how dare he compare her to you. And oh, my dear, that is where it all unraveled. For as her voice rose, trembling with indignation, her accusations sharp as daggers, what she feared most had already been confirmed. For it was not the comparison alone that shattered her. It was who he compared her to. It was you, the very name she had fought so hard to erase, the very existence she had done everything in her power to overshadow, the one she had convinced him to abandon, to forget, to replace. And yet, in a single unintentional moment, his own words betrayed him, revealing what she always feared deep in her heart, but never wanted to admit, that no matter how much time passed, no matter how much distance stretched between you, no matter how much she tried to mold herself into the perfect replacement, she could never be you, and the truth, once spoken, could not be undone. And so, she lashed out, her voice shaking with rage, her pride crumbling before her own eyes, demanding to know if he still thought about you, demanding to know if she had been living in your shadow all along. And though he tried to deny, though he tried to retreat, the more she pushed, the more he realized something he had never allowed himself to admit. Not only had he compared her to you, but he had meant it. He had meant every unspoken thought behind the words, because deep down he knew the truth. Deep down, he recognized what he had spent so long running from. And when she saw it, when she felt it, her world began to break. For in that moment, nothing was hidden anymore. Nothing could be rewritten. And so she screamed. She raged. She threw every word she could at him, desperate to wound him, desperate to punish him for the reality he had exposed. But no amount of anger, no amount of blame, no amount of bitterness could change what had already been spoken. And when she realized that, when she understood that she could not rewrite the truth, she did the only thing she knew how to do. She blamed you, throwing your name into the fire, cursing you as if you had been standing right there, accusing you of poisoning his mind, of bewitching him, of refusing to let him go, when all along, my dear, you had done nothing. You were not there. You were not part of this. And yet, you lived in his words, in his thoughts, in his comparisons, in the way he saw her, in the way she saw herself through his eyes. And that, my beloved, is what truly broke her. Not the comparison itself, not the words alone, but the undeniable truth they revealed. For no matter how much she twisted the narrative, no matter how much she forced herself into the role she so desperately wanted to play, she could not be you. And so, in their anger, in their frustration, in their desperation, they made a decision, not with calm deliberation, not with careful thought, but in the heat of the storm. They turned away from each other, refusing to share the same space, refusing to find common ground. For a foundation built on deceit and control will never withstand the force of truth. And my dear, truth has begun to rise. And now, as their illusion crumbles, you may wonder, why now? What does this mean? What comes next? And oh, my dear, the answer is simple. This was never about you being the cause of their destruction. This was never about revenge, or justice, or fate. This was simply the truth coming to light. This was the inevitable unraveling of something that was never meant to last. For what is not built on honesty will always collapse in the end. And what does this mean for you? It means your presence lingers, even in your silence. Your name carries weight even when unspoken. Your essence remains even in absence. For as they fall apart, as they try to make sense of what has happened, as they struggle against the tide that pulls them under, the one thing they can never escape is the truth, and truth always wins. My dear child, do not fear and do not be troubled, for what is meant for you will never be taken away, and what is built on deception will never last. This is not your battle to fight. You have already won. If this message resonates with you, like this post and type Amen. My dear, this is only the beginning. Stay close, for more will soon be revealed. Your angel is watching over you. Are you truly prepared for the truth that is about to unfold? Stay with me now, for we are stepping into a revelation that will change the way you see everything. There are things that have been hidden, situations that have played out behind closed doors, and moments that were never meant for your eyes. But today, the veil is being lifted. You have carried pain, unanswered questions, and silent prayers in your heart. But now, the answers are coming. Every hidden thing shall be brought to light, and every deception shall be exposed. What was meant to harm you is transforming into something that will elevate you. Let's walk through this revelation together, step by step. You are not alone. I am right here with you. Like this video and type yes if you are ready to embrace the full truth. My dear child, I have seen the pain you have endured. I have watched as someone you trusted was pulled away, influenced, and manipulated by another. This woman, the one who stood between you and the person you once held dear, used every tool at her disposal. She whispered words filled with deceit, played mind games, twisted truths, and created illusions. She did everything she could to take what was meant for you, believing she had succeeded. But today, the very foundation of her illusions is crumbling. You may wonder why I ask you to feel empathy for her. After all, she caused you pain. She wronged you. She tried to erase you from the picture. But listen closely. What she just discovered has shaken her to the core. In a moment of thoughtless honesty, the person she worked so hard to keep by her side compared her to you. Imagine the weight of those words, the sting of that moment. She had invested so much effort, so much manipulation, so much control, only to hear that in his eyes, she was being measured against you. It pierced her deeply, shaking her confidence, her pride, and her sense of victory. The argument that followed was unlike any other, a storm of words and emotions. And yes, dear one, because he compared her to you, she dragged your name into the fight. She cursed you. She blamed you. She painted you as the villain, as if you were the reason for her suffering. But listen to me now. Do not let this trouble your heart. This battle is not yours to fight. The energy she poured into keeping something that was never meant for her is now turning against her. What she fought so hard to build is falling apart. What she tried to control is slipping through her fingers. Meanwhile, something greater is rising for you. A divine shift is happening in your favor. The dreams you have carried in your heart are now closer than ever. Everything you have prayed for is being aligned, piece by piece. You may not see it all yet, but trust that it is unfolding in perfect timing. Everything that was taken from you, love, peace, opportunities, even your sense of self-worth, is being restored. You have walked through seasons of uncertainty, questioning why certain things had to happen. You have wondered if you were forgotten, but you were never forgotten. You were never forsaken. You were being prepared for something greater. The divine plan for your life has not changed. What was delayed is now accelerating. What was blocked is now being cleared. What was stolen is now being returned, multiplied. Even in your moments of doubt, heaven has been working on your behalf.